what I'm about to show you will really blow your mind. Right, I'm just going to show you how the market usually communicates. It gives out blueprints. It's just up to you for you to see and identify those blueprints and then execute. All right, so stick around, guys. Today's video is just going to be lit, and I'm just going to randomly do my thing. Let's see, just rewind from this zone right there. Okay, so first things first, guys, I'm talking about patterns, blueprints. The market usually communicates. So let's say this is what the market is doing currently. This is the market price. So as usual, we come and start doing our analysis. So like that's the last low, and we need to identify the previous high, which is this. All right, so what you need to do is try to identify patterns, guys, patterns. With that, everything will be really simplified. So we can see the market gave us a high correction, high correction. So I'm just expecting the market to go up and probably give us a reversal pattern, which should be a head and shoulder. All right, so let's continue. So now that we have head and shoulder in our mind, we should now go to the H4. Right over here, guys, look at this. The market gave us a reversal. This is another shape. Look at that. So that's a double bottom, just a clear indication that the market wants to go up. All right, so that's what's up. Then how about this, guys? So we need to interpret the market. This is a higher high, and now this is a higher low, and guess what? The market needs to go up to give us a higher high. And now if you try to look around this zone, guys, this should be a bearish pattern or a bearish flag. So that being identified, guess what? You still have to look for your buy. So we have a double bottom. That's the first confluence. Second confluence, we have this bearish flag. Then the third confluence, guys, we are looking for a head and shoulder formation. So since we understand that the market wants to go and give us head and shoulder, then guess what? We're going up. So look at this. Already price give us a higher high or an impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction. So let's see, guys, we just now have to look for those impulse and correction. So right now, let's just hit our replay button. Then the market did that right there. All right, so right now we are at the 1 hour. Okay, but remember, we also have to identify this as the last high also, because remember the 90% rule. So it is what it is. So let's see what the market did. Right now, I'm not seeing any pattern. Let me see. Probably the patterns could have been forming at the 15. All right. Yeah. So as usual, this was a high correction, high. So it is. Yeah. I'm just looking for those great patterns. So let the market do what it does. For now, we have not made any decision. Then now, boom, the market has hit that high. All right. So if the market did hit that high, what next? Remember, we are only looking for pattern. Currently, the market has not given us any clear structure or any clear pattern, right? So how about we try to add trend lines? Guys, this should be quite easy. I don't know why you need to complicate things. So if we have that, let's try to interpret the market. All right. So since this was the last higher low, how about we identify this as that higher low right there? Okay. So let's see what the market did. Boom. All right. Boom. So currently, I'm seeing that the market is giving us a reversal. This is a double top right here. That's a double top, all right? So let's see, because we have an equal high. So that means that anytime the market breaks out of this support of ours or a neckline, then that calls for sales then, all right? So let's see what the market did. Right there, the market did not do that. So we just continue holding and watching what the market is doing. All right, so we just continue evolving, guys. Remember, I say that we wait for the market to give us any mistake, and any site of mistake, that is where we execute. So that's it. The market continues doing that, right? So I know most of you will be, oh, I'm not a scalper, but then there's no problem, guys. It is what it is. Stick to your strategy, guys. You just have to stick to your strategy. So let's see. Since we understand that the market has somehow broken out of these high, then guess what? We should expect pullbacks right here in a bearish way, then continue going up. All right. Sorry. I'm a swing trader, guys, and I'm just going to wait and watch what the market is doing, guys. That is when I execute. For now, boom, that's it. So that's, let me go back to the 15. That was the 4 hour. All right. So look at this. At the 15, this is sort of bullish flag. Let's see if that was a bullish flag, if it's making sense right there, right? So the last high should be this zone right here. So a break above that, then guess what, we're taking our buys, right? Let's see. If that doesn't happen, we still hold up, we don't do anything. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see. That is it. I believe that's it. That's the candlestick we should be looking for. So how about we take that buy entry right there, then our stop loss below here, and where should our target be? So let's try to find the target. Remember, from the daily we talked about head and shoulder, guys, head and shoulder. So that means we need to identify this as the left shoulder, right? So that should be the target, guys. That should be the target. So how about we target that? Come on, should target this now. Okay, don't need to be greedy. So that's the target. So when we are in the trade, guys, I usually advise that go back to the 15 there, is where you will be managing your trade, because probably you'll be seeing clear structures, that is bullish patterns and bearish patterns. Those are the things you should be looking out for. So boom, that is news. I believe that is news. So there's no problem, guys. If you took that L, how about that? We still wait for opportunity, because we still believe the market is in an uptrend. So we accept our fate. All right, so let's see. Boom, boom. That's what's up. That's it. So currently we try to adjust everything. Let's see, because right now we understand the news has already spoiled our structure. If the news spoiled the structure, then guess what, we evolve, guys. So let's see. Let's continue monitoring the movement. Let's do this. We're not changing everything, guys. We're not changing everything. So right now we need to see if we can get any reversal structure, then now take our buy position. So that is it. The market did that. All right, the market did that. I'm seeing somehow the market wants to give us an inverse head and shoulder. And if you can see, this neckline right here, and this should be the head. So if I cut the hair right here, this is it. So look at that. I believe this is it. Let me try to draw that. This is the left shoulder right here, the head right there. The market is going to give us that, and then continue up. So we have that in mind, guys. So let's see. If we have that, let's see what the market did. So probably for an early entry, how about we identify this as a high? So if it breaks the 1 hour candlestick, then we take our buy position. Let's see. Let's go to the 1 hour, yo. And you can see that's beautifully done. That's an inverse head and shoulder, guys. So we just have to wait for a bullish candlestick this time to close above that. We don't have a problem, guys. The news took us out, but there's no problem. Step by step, right there, that was a close. So how about I do take my buy position right there, then stop loss. Then now we give it another trial, guys. We don't kill ourselves. Yes, we did take the first L because of news, but then our analysis was great, guys. I still believe in my analysis. So if I continue hitting that, and you can see, and guys, I forgot to go to the 15, yo. You should have reminded me in the comment. All right, this was not live. So that is it. So currently you can see the market's really moving smooth, guys. So we can see already the market went and gave us clear 135 pips, which you could have bagged in, guys, easily. So how about I do identify this probably as another bullish flag right there. So let's see. Let's see. So right now, let's try to adjust our stop loss. You know, you need to secure your profits. Don't want to give the market back the profit. So how about we make this as the last high? So a break above that, then guess what, we're going up once again. We had another position. So let's see what the market continue doing. Let's see. So probably this is another inverse head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So a break above that, guys, we execute. We need to do another buy. All right, so it is what it is, guys. Let's see. 1 hour candlestick need to break. Let's see, baby, give me that, need that break. So you see currently the market is somehow respecting that, then boom, that's it. So let's try to understand. I don't know if that was news. Let's see. We need to understand what the market is doing. So we still evolve, guys. We need to evolve. All right, we need to evolve with the current market price. So anytime you see that, oh, the market is doing this, guys, get out or continue trailing your stop loss, guys. So it is what it is. All right, so if we took our stop loss maybe right here, then we was taken out. So let's see what the market did. All right, let's see what the market did. Even though we had that news probably, but we won't give up. Let's see. So let's see. We need to understand what the market is doing. As long as you identify the pattern, I repeat, guys, those are the things we need. Identify the patterns. If you get the patterns right, then you know the direction, guys. It is what it is. It is what it is. So we can see that's what's up, that's what's up, that's what's up. Let me see if I can see something right here. So that's it. Probably our bullish flag was still value right here. Our bullish flag was still value right here. So we could have taken that buy at the 1 hour. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, right there. It was still valid, guys. So that is it. The moment the candlestick closed bullish, remember we still have this kind of dodges and the inverted hammer, whichever. So we just have to do this, wait for that break, then continue with your market holding your position. No, let's go. Let's see what the market did. Just do it, baby. Give me that, baby. Oh, I was supposed to be at the 15 once again. You can see right here, if I try to do this, guys, this is also another bullish. But remember, I don't want to take another position because we are almost hitting our take profit. But then how about if we were greedy, guys, if we did take another buy position right there and see if we smashed our take profit. Let's see. If we were greedy, yeah, come on, hit it, baby. Yes, we smashed. So it's crazy, guys, crazily easy. So look at this. Our first position was 332 pips, second position 220 pips, and the third position 107 pips. So you tell me, guys, the first entry position we lost around, I can't remember, 70 or 60, I can't remember, right here. Yeah, we did lose that. Let me see how much was that. Yeah, we lost around 70, but there's no problem, guys. So if you did make 332, you scale in once again, second position 222 pips and 117 pips, guys. So you tell me, do the losses count? No, I don't care about the losses, guys. All right, if the market hits me, I don't care, as long as I know, oh, this is news, guys. And I usually say, guys, my strategy, guys, I do trust this. The only time I get stopped out is when the news comes in. All right, so if the news finds me in a trade, probably that is when I should be stopped out, and I usually appreciate that. I don't have a problem with that. All right, so if the market takes me the second time, let me see, if the market do take me out, then probably the market is reversing, because where I do place my stop loss is usually a crucial zone that when the market hits, then now that means the market is reversing. So it's crazy. So the lesson you should be learning from this video, guys, is this: identify the patterns. The pattern, guys, I've talked about that. This is what I'm talking about: impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction. So, and vice versa, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction. So it doesn't matter, guys. Even if the news takes you out, take it home, take the loss home, wait for the market to correct itself, then execute once again. So I believe that's what's up, guys. So if you didn't understand what I was talking about, guys, please rewind this video, watch it until you understand, guys. Remember, these are the pattern, guys, and at the 15, remember to always manage your trade. So I believe that's it. And if I try drawing or adding my trend line, I believe it's going to make sense easily, guys. Let me just go back to the 15. It's so clear. All right, so look at that. Remember, when this market was really taking off, guys, I was not seeing any pattern, guys. And if you don't see no pattern, guys, do not make your entry position. Look at this. So this move from this zone right here, there was no pattern until I started seeing pattern around here. That is when I started looking for my position. So it's easy, guys. All right, so how about that? Smash that subscribe button, guys. And also, I usually send my signals to my free Telegram channel. How about you check it, link in the description, guys, and I will appreciate if you smash that subscribe button, man. Adios, mi amigos. Peace.